Hello everyone. Welcome back to Doodle Dollars. This is Courtney, and today we're going to be doing our cash stuffing for the first week of February. So we're going to start off by just emptying my wallet here. We don't have a lot left because it has been just one of those weeks, but we do have all of our gas money left because I did not really do much of anything this past week as far as extra trips or anything, and I stayed home a lot. I had a few days off from work because I was sick, so that's kind of nice. We have $25 there, and that's it for our extra wallet money this week. So I'm going to set this back here. We will add that to our debt binder. All right, so then for groceries this week, we are going to do $50. That's our usual standard stuff. Dining out is getting $35. That has been working out really well for me, except for when Aria and I were both sick. I did a lot of extra dining out, but that's okay. It happens. Gas is getting $25, and Aria is getting $10. We're going to stick 2 5s in here for her. Okay. I hope y'all had an amazing week. I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. I am trying to get this done quickly so that I can do some relaxing and maybe watch a show. I've been really enjoying watching the show called Eve. It's on Netflix. I don't want to say that K word here. I don't want to get in trouble, but you know, the K ends in ing, Eve. It's about like a Russian spy. And it's really interesting. And there are like 3 or 4 seasons out. So if you haven't watched that one yet, I recommend that if you like kind of like comedy drama type shows, because it's funny, but it's a drama, you know, as well. Okay, so Mint Mobile is getting $5 this week. So it has 51, 10, 20, 35. 135. And we are getting close to needing to pay that, so that's great. We are going to skip stuffing this week because I just want to put all my money in my debt binder because it's way more fun to play games, and I would rather put the money in there. It's all going to the same place anyways, so we're going to do that this week. Hair is getting 15. I have my hair appointment tomorrow, so hopefully that goes well. I really love my hairdresser. She's amazing. Okay, so we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 120, 30, 40, 50, 55, oh shoot, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3. So 173. All right, I'm just hoping that will be enough. I don't know, we'll see. If it's not, it's okay. We'll figure it out. All right, car insurance is getting 50. We have 300 in the bank. I'm gonna grab this 50. And now we have one. Why are these all messed up, guys? I don't know why. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 190 plus 300 in the bank. So 490. All right. So I put the 300 in my high yield savings account. This is due in April, so I figured instead of having it sit here, I'll just put it in there. I have a dedicated like category for it, so I don't forget what it's for. So that's super helpful. All right, medical is getting 30. So we're doing a 20 and a 10. Yeah, 20 and a 10. All right, so this has 20, 30, 40. Okay, car maintenance is getting 10. Thankfully this month I have a little bit of extra funds because it's more of a normal like pay month for me. I finally kind of caught up after the holidays with the weird teacher pay going on. So I'm excited. I forgot to count, but definitely have more money to stuff this week, which is really nice. So we have not a ton more, but just a little bit more. So we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28 in car maintenance. Okay. Then I have $21 here that is extra money this week from some side hustles. So I think I got some Ko-fi payments. I cashed out my PayPal account with like the Ko-fi payments that I had made. And I also got a PayPal gift card from one of my apps that I use. So I cashed that out and I got $21 here. So I think I'm just gonna add these to some sinking funds here to kind of buff these up a little bit in the meantime. So let me see. I'm gonna add like a few dollars to gifts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's just make that an even 15. I don't know if that's even, but okay. Household has 21. Let's add 4 to household. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll make that 25. Entertainment is good. We have like 30 in there, so I'm not worried about that. Okay, we're gonna make this 35. Car maintenance. Because I know I need an oil change very soon. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have $5 left. Oh, where should it go? All right, I think I'm just gonna put it into my hair envelope, and if I have anything left over, which I doubt I will, but if I have anything left over in here, then I'll just take that out and put it somewhere else. All right, that's it. Ooh, I didn't even get a chance to sip my tea, but that is it for this video, guys. I hope y'all have a great rest of your day. I hope you have a great Saturday, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.